Printing numbers won't result in a visually appealing pyramid. Now that you're outputting the formatted content of your rows array, it's time to update your original loop. Instead of pushing the initialized variable I to the array, we have to push the value of our character variable. So let's check. Yes, we do have a variable called character. So all we have to do is to change or replace rather the character to the I. Replace here, also you, also you, bye bye. And then let's push this character. Let's pass this variable character inside the push method so that the value of the character would be inserted to the rows, which is an array, as you can see here. And then we check and it is correct. Nice.